Hello everyone, welcome to John Showbiz channel. Today we are going to make some egg bhurji. The ingredients we need for the recipe are two chopped onions, curry leaves, ginger, chili, green chili, 1 tomato and coriander leaves. Here we have some mustard, 4 eggs, turmeric powder and coconut oil. Now we have poured some coconut oil and wait for it to get heated up. Now we are putting some mustard seeds. Now we are going to put in some curry leaves. Here now we are going to put some onions. Now we will put a bit of salt. Now we are going to put some tomatoes. Going to break some eggs. Egg breaker right. Now we must stir it well. Now we will have to stir it well. At last we will add some coriander leaves. Now sprinkle it everywhere. This is good for eating with bread. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and share and subscribe.